I do a lot of knife videos on this channel, so I tend to get a lot of questions about sharpening knives. One of the questions I've gotten over the years has been about the best way to sharpen a recurve blade. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at a really cool product from the folks at EZE-LAP, which will help you sharpen your recurve knives. It's the EZE-Fold oval folding diamond sharpener from EZE-LAP. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So a couple years ago, I ran into the EZE-LAP rep, I think at Blade Show, and he hooked me up with this EZE-LAP oval diamond sharpener. And you may have seen on the channel, I've used the flat EZE-Fold sharpeners for several years now. I learned about those from Andy Tran, by the way, over at Interbark Outdoors. I really like them. They've got just very, very useful things to have. They're lightweight and they make it really easy to sharpen a knife. But something that most flat sharpeners don't do very well on is any kind of a recurve blade. But this one is a little bit different and actually works really well for recurve blades. So we're going to take a look at that right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by Big Daddy Unlimited. Big Daddy Unlimited is a membership-based buyers club, and as a member, you have the ability to buy pretty much anything you can think of related to guns and ammo and shooting at wholesale pricing. And right now you can get a 30-day trial membership for 99 cents a month. After that it's $10 a month, and that's going to allow you to buy guns, ammo, shooting supplies, knives, tactical gear, just again all sorts of things at a huge discount. If you buy very much at all, you're going to more than pay for your $10 a month. So anyway, I'm a member and it's definitely saving me money. I'll put a link in the description below. You can go check them out for the first month for just 99 cents. See if you think it's going to be a good deal for you. I know for me it was. Okay, we're back. So without any more rambling, let's take you down to the old stump top and get to doing some of that sharpening stuff. So here we are at the old stump top with the EZE-Fold 590 oval shaft. And let's talk about this real quickly. Altogether, it is 5 inches closed. It weighs like 1.7 ounces. Very, very lightweight. Just a simple plastic cover on it. And it just unfolds like so. It's nothing fancy about this, but they just plain work. It's got these little notches here that kind of hold the handle together, put in place, and then it has an oval diamond stone here. And you can see this oval shape. So the stone itself is 4 inches by 3/4 inches by 1/8 inch thick. And this is 1200 grit, so this is for keeping a fine edge on it. This one's also available in 600 grit, so you can have a 600 and a 1200, and you can really maintain most of your recurves that way. This, by the way, is made in the USA, and it's about 20 bucks on Amazon. So let me just show you what I mean about the recurve. Now, I'm not trying to be ridiculous, but I couldn't find any of my recurve smaller blades. I've been doing some packing and sorting, and I kind of maybe got them in the wrong place. But this has got a very, very serious recurve on it. And the reason flat stones are not really good for doing recurves is because, let me see if I can show you with this. I don't know if this is flat enough to do it, but okay, you can see that. So if you put it flat there, you can see right between there, there's a gap where the curve is, right? Because it's a straight line across here. If you're doing a straight line across the curve, there's going to be a gap there. So what happens is if you're using a flat stone, you're going to wind up catching the edges of the stone like here and here, and you're not going to catch the whole body of the stone, so you wind up grinding the edges of it. With the oval stone, it's got enough of a curve, so you're really only hitting that one spot in the middle. So you can also use this like a ceramic rod, or a rod works really, or diamond rod, round rod, anything that's not square. But this one, just to show you how you would work it, you just do that right there. Now obviously this is a big old blade. This just happened to be what I could find. It is one of my favorite strayed machetes though. And you just that's it. I mean, it's not rocket science, okay? So like I said, this will be a really quick video. I'm trying to make a few more of these little quick videos just with some, quick tidbits of information and gear stuff. And this is something I know a lot of people have recurve knives, and this would be a great way to keep them sharp. Again, the price on this on Amazon is about 20 bucks, and it is made in the USA. Okay, well, as promised, that was a very, very quick look at the EZE-LAP EZE-Fold 590 oval profile diamond sharpener. If you got a recurve blade you want to keep sharp, this would be a good way to do it. And oh, by the way, just in case you're interested, this is the Schrade Priscilla. They're calling this a brush sword. I really dig it. So anyway, as usual, there will be links to both of these in the description below. I hope this has been helpful. And as always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, and sometimes these are random quickie videos throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Sign up for my weekly email newsletter. Every week, I'll send you an email telling you about the previous week's videos, plus maybe some other cool stuff too. So I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. Keep your stuff sharp. See you next time.